guys, Fusion here. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this. It's a cool little sawmill thing. I don't know how to do. Really all it does is it just keeps on looping. Now, I did pretty good with this, and it's pretty awesome. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. I'll add some decoration afterwards, but first, I'm going to show you how to do it. So, first we need now sadly you need Fire on the Deep DLC, or at least to get the saw. I'm pretty sure, I guarantee you can find different things. I'm actually just going to add a little thing here. Where is it? Face arm. Okay, there, we'll do that. No, hold on, that. That's what we'll do. Okay, so that's what we'll do. So that's our main part, and we need to set it up to where it's always rolling. It's always like spinning like this. So we need to do our basic movement thing. If you know how to do this, well, if you don't know how to do this, I can teach you right now. So you need an OPE, which is an object position event, an impulse trigger, and one linear data source. And just because there's a data source in it, it does not mean it's complicated, I promise. So this is like the first mechanism I made. So you're going to go to the internal trigger, and you're going to make it, its event that it will activate is the OPE. So go ahead and click that, hit that, click, whatever. Now, the rotation you're going to be using is bank. That's side to side. Yeah. Yeah? Can you let me go outside? Sorry. Just, stuff. My baby needs to eat me. Oh, yeah, duh. And don't forget on your, oh god, I probably should have told you how to do that. I will, hold up. So, the bank. The way I made that green is because I'm tying this value that I want to that curved data source. It's a curved data source, by the way. And so I'm going to press Y. I'm fairly sure it's control if you're on a controller command, if you're on a PC or Mac. So, yeah, and then you just do that. And now this is how much it will turn. So as you can see, we have a rotation. But it stops, and we want it to keep moving like that. So in order to make it to where it always is in the same position whenever it loops, oh wait, yeah, probably teach you this. We need it to loop every time. So now, if I hit it, it's just going to go to 100, and then it's going to reset. But you can see it keeps on doing that weird thing. So what I found out is if you make it go all the way back around, you're doing 90 times 4, so 90, 180, 270, and 360. So we need to set this to 360. Now, each time it gets to the exact same position that it started at, it'll loop again. Sure, it's just a bit laggy. So, there we go, we got that now. That's always going to be moving. But we need our wood, no? Yes? Okay, so we need our wood. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and get like a little slide. What I decided to use are 2 of those. It needs to be big enough to hold a log or like a tree or something. Also, if you can make your own log, that's good. I'm going to use the log that's in after the incident. So, sir, here we go. And we're going to make it face that way, or you can make it face the other way. Now, I tried to make it, like, the effect Like what I could totally have here where it splits in half. That's why you see the little invisible objects here. Because what it was going to be is it was going to be where every time it hits it, it splits in half. A certain thing where it doesn't do that, sadly. So, yeah. So, we're going to go, you're going to make your slide. Cool. I'm going to make mine. Now you're going to need to set it at an angle that your log can obviously be set on. I'm actually going to glue this. So go to editor settings to get whatever angle you want to by setting the rotate degrees. I'm going to try 30. Oh, I forgot it's going to be 3 now. Yeah, I like that. So now, the reason why I need to be able to snap that is because, well, it just makes it a lot easier to just be able to do that. It's like perfect now, so. Yeah. So now what we need is we need our log to obviously move, no dip. So we're going to grab that and we're going to actually make it to where it goes into the saw. Make sure the saw's not going through anything. It's not, just barely missing it. I think one of our problems is it's going too slow. It needs to go like, it needs to go slower than that. Way too fast. The exact same thing, but okay. So now we need another movement. If you remember how to do that, well, if you don't remember how to do that actually, then just, again, you need an interval trigger. Set it all the way down to 1 tick. I forgot to tell you that for this one. You need all the way down to 1 tick. Next, you need your OPE, Object Position Event. Yeah, that, okay. Anyways, you need your OPE. Next, you're going to need your curved data source. So this is what makes it move. And you are going to need it looping unless you want to have it happen once. So you need to figure out. Wait, no. Sorry, I'm going to shut my door 1 second. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to try position X because that's usually what it is. I gotta tie it. Remember, press Y and you can tie it to the data source like this. So it's called tying the data source. And don't forget to select this as your event filter. That's your event. Next, this is your target. Okay, so that's obviously the wrong way. So I know Y isn't it because Y coordinates go up and down, so it's going to be B. Perfect. Now it's pretty good so far, but it goes way too fast. So I had a custom thing. It's 259. For me, that's just right. See? Just like that. Now, here's the part where you need to make it look like it goes into a pile of some sort. So let's say I get a bunch of dead trees, and we'll make like a pile of each of them. So we'll go like this, and maybe like that, and that, or something. You don't need dead trees. In fact, but you could use dead trees, you know. Use anything for these. Next, you're gonna be needing obviously some more wood, because I didn't just say that. But this time the wood should be this big. It should be variation 4. Well, depending on what size yours is. This, since it's this size for me, it needs to be variation 4. But I need to make it look like it goes into the pile. We're gonna do this, and we're gonna make like a huge pile of just this stuff. So like maybe some of that. There we go. We got that now. And now, it looks like it goes in, kind of. It goes far enough in. And it looks like it does. But that's the thing. It doesn't go far enough in. So we're going to need to make it go. We need it to go in to where it just goes all the way down. So instead of 6, we're going to have like 8. There. And now if we have it on looping, then it will just continuously do that. But it looks like it's just teleporting there. Like, it's obvious that it is. So we want to make sure that it looks like it's coming out of something like that. See that? It looks like it's like a production line type thing. See? Goes in, done. So this should look like it's in a production line as well. It should just look like they're repeatedly coming. So let's do this. Let's get a concrete wall. And let's make it a thing that looks like the production line. But I'm going to move this up more. Oh god. Oh gosh. Again. Come on in. Come on, man. Alright, now that one go in. So we're actually going to make this 10. I know it's going to go in too much, but I mean it will look like it's big. So if I stand over here. And this is just how I do it. Like, I know for a fact someone, like a tutorial guy, like Swamp Balls, or, someone can do it a lot better than this, considering I'm not such a good creator. I've only made, like, so far 2 levels. I'm trying to put all the work I can into them. There we go. That looks better. So, like, from here, it looks like it's just going into that. Oh, of course we need the ground for that, don't we? Okay, so there's that now. Now it looks like it's just going to the top. And you can't see it go under, so whoomp. Perfect. But again, we need the production line thing, so I'm going to go to my Empire of the Sky, and we are going to grab it. So let's go over, where did I find it? Aha, I remember. Here we go. Sorry, this is a new thing we learned on music today. So, you make this how you want to make that, and voila! It's pretty good now. Now, that's just how I make it. Like I said, people will make way better versions of it. Because I'm not too good of a creator, like, for Pete's sake. Look, like, okay? And, actually, I don't know. I think I'm decent, but I'm not very good. Like, I'm not pretty good. Not too good. So, let's see what it looks like from a writer's view. So we can see that one. That's our first version. Of course, that's our example. No, we can't really do it like this. We're gonna have to get under it. See, it works. Okay, come on. Gotta go slow. I died. Oh no! Oh. Okay, so that'll be it for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button in the face so hard you should make it feel pain. And if you like my other videos, why not subscribe? As always, peace!